Good morning, my name is Alexeda Mercado and I'm with my partner Eduardo Diaz and we're going to be presenting our project presentation. Well, our title is Designing Fabrication and Characterization of a Feedback SmartSock Neurobionic Sensor. Our abstract, human gait monitoring by means of plantar foot pressure measurements could have numerous applications, such as post-operative rehabilitation and recovery assessment, detection of abnormal gait conditions, and monitoring of foot surface pressure for diabetic patients, and many more. This investigation develops a smart sock starting from the analysis and study of human gait that shows the behavior of the lower extremities, the generate forces, and the work of the foot like support element. Our objectives are analyzed from the physical point of view the different stages of the gait process and generate a mathematical analysis. We have to make a comparison of nerve sensors to choose the most outstanding, make a functional neurosensible template, select the best sock, and lower the cost because these smart socks are already in the market, but they are very expensive. So we want to lower the cost. The impact. This smart sock is visionary in reducing the high monetary cost that these have to offer the client. The comfortable neurobionic frequency sensitive on the gait and analysis. The scope. Selection of accessible materials for a well-functioning design. Present a new opportunity to those people who require a product within their monetary reach and demonstrate potential capabilities for gait future detection and therefore be used for medical and sports applications. Theory. Primary concepts for the understanding of this prosthetic. Well, what is a sock? A sock is a knit or woven covering for the foot usually worn under shoes and extending above the ankle and sometimes to the knee. Smart socks. What are smart socks? Well, smart socks are foot wearable devices that integrate one or multiple sensing technologies, data acquisition, acquisition and transmission models. Well, this like well, we can use these smart socks for different uses, like monitoring. We can use it for monitor some diseases like diabetes, Parkinson, etc. We can use them to recovery, and that's like the post operation, to see how the patient is going and getting better. And we can use it in sports, like physical activities like athleticism, ballet, gymnastics, basketball, soccer, etc. Well, types of smart socks. Well, we have different types. Like we have smart socks application for plantar pressure measurements. We have smart socks for gaits monitoring and partitioning of gait cycle. We have upper limb smart textile for sports application. Smart socks for Parkinson diseases patients. Smart socks for patients with diabetes, and smart socks for fall risk detection. And now I'm going to let you with my partner, Eduardo Diaz, that he is going to be continuing with the presentation.
Greetings, I'm Eduardo Diaz from the Vocational High School in Ponce, Puerto Rico. Continuing this presentation, our possible materials to create these socks can be nylon, spandex, and silk. The selection can base in the security, cost, and maintenance. Our methodology, knowing the human gait process, we separate these in four stages that can allow the food advance. We're gonna be using electrodes to sense signs when the person steps, putting six bottom in the socks one in the big toe, two behind, and three in the ankle. Our next steps gonna be compose our first prototype, use application force data to analyze these informs, and the last one, use the electrode to have a proper sensibility. Concluding this presentation, this is our reference. And finally, thank you so much and keep safe.